Alright, Titan Truck here at SEMA 2021, and we're at the Overland Vehicle Systems booth. Right now we're looking at the portable camp stove, which OVS calls it their portable folding kitchen of sorts. It's got a removable top tray for utensil storage and kind of a rocket burner that you can put charcoal briquettes in, or even wood if you wanted to heat something up in this funnel. It also has a gas burner and a griddle that slides over the top that allows you to throw eggs or pancakes or whatever you want to throw on the griddle. It's easy to set up anywhere, and you'll notice the depth of it makes it easy to set up even on a tailgate. Like most products at SEMA 2021, this is expected to hit production in 2022. We're looking at the Bushveld clamshell tent. Clamshell tents deploy more quickly, and they're easier to tear down as well as faster. This is a 4-season tent, so it offers more water resistance as well as a little bit thicker fabric and insulation. It has an 85-inch by 85-inch black diamond plate aluminum base, very strong, made of aircraft-grade aluminum. However, it's lightweight. It offers a quilted 3-inch mattress and pillows. Now, accessories include shoe bags, cargo bags, a welcome mat, LED light strips, and even a dustpan. Yeah, we're at the Overland Vehicle Systems booth looking at the cargo dry boxes. Now, these are made of polypropylene, and they offer heavy-duty handles and latches. You'll notice that the lid seal is waterproof, and they do come with wheels for easy transportation. They also offer a bottle opener. Not the fanciest cargo boxes out there, but these do get the job done, and they come in at a value price point. Yeah, we're at the Overland Vehicle Systems booth, and we're looking at their duffel bags, or what some would call gear bags. Now, these waxed canvas bags are paraffin infused, and they're waterproof. They offer double reinforced stitching and oversized heavy-duty buckles. There's 2 sizes, large and small. Now, OVS's goal is to help people get into the sport of overlanding at a reasonable price, so you'll notice that while these are quality, they do come in at a value price point compared to other bags. Alright, here in the Overland Vehicle Systems booth, we're looking at the Recovery Distribution Link, or RDL. Now, the RDL is laser engraved with an angle scale for sling estimates, and it really prevents collecting multiple loads off a single shackle, which could be dangerous. It offers a safe collection point for multiple winching applications and has a working load of 45,000 pounds, as well as a break point of 135,000 pounds. We're in the Overland Vehicle Systems booth, and we're looking at the Safari tent. Now, unlike most of OVS's tents, which are rooftop tents, the Safari tent is a standalone tent, and it folds completely into itself and goes into the storage bag for easy storage. Of course, it comes with the tent stakes, like any ground tent would. Yeah, we're here at the Overland Vehicle Systems booth, and we're looking at Updown Air's UDA compressor and tank. So Updown Air and Overland Vehicle Systems are sister companies under the same umbrella. Now, the UDA compressor is a 6.1 CFM compressor. It has twin magnetic motors and an IP55 rating, which is water nozzle water protection. So when you pair it with the tank, it'll run air tools, impact guns, etc. Now, the tank itself is 1.5 gallons and has a 200 PSI rating. It's ideal for suspensions, air horns, air lockers, and like other products, is made from a T6 6061 aluminum, otherwise known as aircraft grade aluminum.